Hello viewers, welcome to my new series which is related to technology and software. And when it comes to software, we have one programming language that is Java. So I will make some videos on Java in comic style. I will try to include it in comic style, but it may not be in comic style, I can say. So yes, our new series is Java in a comic style. So Java, yes. So at first, we will see about Java fundamentals, and Java was founded by James Gosling in 1995. So when it comes to Java fundamentals, these are base for any uh, Java application or a Java program. Without these basics, we can't find. We feel ambiguity when it comes to Java programming, and at first we will see some fundamentals of it. The first thing is identifiers. So when it comes to identifiers, it is a word, or you can say it is a variable name, and it won't allow special symbols. There are only two special symbols which is only used, that is dollar and underscore, and we can't use special symbols in the starting, and we should not use any tab spaces and white spaces. Yes, that is about identifiers. And when it comes to second, these are keywords. These are set of reserved words for the particular programming language. When it comes to Java keywords, these are reserved keywords by Java language itself. We can say some keywords like for, while, if, else. These are all keywords only. We can say class, uh, and there are so many like that. And when it comes to another third fundamental, those are literals. Literals means they are the values. We have integer literals, string literals, character literals, object literals, so many things. We can say these are values. I will write an equation so you will understood it. We have variable equal to value. In this, values are nothing but literals only. So you may understand about it. So I will write the equation here, so you can take a glimpse of it. So variable equal to value, and here value is literal. So after that, the next fundamental is variables. Okay, variable means which contains data. So the same in the previous equation we have seen variables equal to value. A variable is nothing but which contains data, and uh, there are some rules to declare a variable. That is, it should not start with number, special symbols. It should only start with alphabets only, and after that, this equation will be same for both of these, variable equal to values. And other one, we have data types. Data types means it says what value a variable can hold. What value a variable can hold. That means we have so many data types in which we will see some of them. byte, short, byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, char. So I will write a char below. So we have these main data types. I am just saying in this order because this order will be easy to remember. Byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, char. So these are some data types, and we will see next one, that is type conversions. It is nothing but converting one type to another type. So type conversions means converting one data type to another data type, and we have totally 56 conversions. Excuse me. We have totally 56 conversions. In that 14 are not possible, and 19 will be done by system, and 23 should be done by us. So just remember this, because all these conversions answers we may in interview whenever asked, these are helpful. So the 14 conversions are uh, these all data types except boolean. We have 7 data types. 7 data types to boolean not possible, and boolean to these 7 data types not possible. So totally 14 are not possible, and 19 will be done by the system. That means byte to short and these data types like into to long, this will be done by the system, and 23 must be done by us explicitly. That means double to int or float to int, or there are 23 in it. I am not going deep into it. Please check this. I am just doing a mind map or quick revision about it. So these are type conversions, and next we have operations on data. Operations on data means adding different data types. Adding different data types. For example, let's say int plus int, that is int, and we have byte plus short, that is also int. Like that we have some operations on data. So whenever we add anything for long, except float and boolean, except float and double, whenever with these 5 data types, when we add to long, it will become long. Whenever except double, uh, whenever we add to float, it will become float for these all data types. And the main priority data type is double. Whenever we add anything to double, it will convert into double. That means it has high priority. That is operations on data. And next one is program structure. So we will see so in the program structure, we will write first packages, then we will write class. In class we will write methods. Okay, just this is the programming structure and how Java follows it. At first we write packages, whatever important packages we need, then we will write the class. In the class we will write the method, or we can have variables also. Here in place of class sometimes we may have interfaces also. We will see more about this in object oriented principles or object oriented programming. And when it comes to next fundamental, that is operators. So operators, that means we have totally 8 plus type operators, and operators main work is to operate on data. That means they divide data, they add data, so it will operates on data. So I will write some types of operators of it. We have arithmetic operators. We have arithmetic operators, logical operators, relational operators, assignment operators, and we have bitwise operators. Assignment operators also called as shorthand operators also, and we have unary operators, we have increment, and we have increment and decrement operators as well. So okay, I will write everything, but I won't go I won't go deeply into it. And next we have conditional operator. Conditional, that means a ternary operator, and we have other operators. So I will write a simple conditional operator example, that is ternary operator. So at first we will write one condition. After question mark we will write the true statement. That means if it is true it will execute, and after the colon we will write the false condition. So take an example like this: 4 is greater than 5. It is absolutely false, so the true statement won't execute, the false statement will be executed. So this is about operators. And when it comes to final fundamental of this Java fundamentals, we have control flow statements. Control flow statements. In control flow statements we have the loops, and we have jump statements, and we have if else condition statements. So when it comes to loops, we have while loop, for loop, do while loop, enhanced for loop. When it comes to jump statements, we have break, continue, return, break label, continue label. When it comes to if else conditions, we have simple if else, and if else if ladder. We have nested ifs also. We have switch also in it. For avoiding more if else conditions or if else statements, we use switch for it. So yes, that's it. We have completed the part 1. So we can say I am not giving totally I am not going deep dive into it. I am just revising the topics of Java fundamentals, or you can take it as a mind map also for a quick revision also. I am not going deep into it. So you can say why this picture is included beside it. Whenever we are reading or we are listening to any topic, whenever we see or relate the content with one picture, we will remember it. So that's why I included the picture in it. When it comes to another parts like oops, and we have string handling topics also, I will include some more interesting pictures. When you see the picture, you will understand or remember the concept based on the image. So that's it for this is the end of part 1. Thank you.